Hello everyone and welcome to Provenance Research and Art History channel, a video lecture series devoted to provenance research in ontological dialogue with art history and museology. Here, the functions and meanings of artworks are analyzed in their different contexts of display, in order to understand the role of transfers and decontextualizations in the way artworks are read today. This space accompanies the public side of my research activity, serving to explain and debate specific insights and methodological reflections on the discipline. But first, allow me to simply introduce myself. I am Flavia De Nicola, a Rome-based art historian and professor. Over the past 15 years, my education and work as an academic art historian have been characterized by an interdisciplinary approach to artworks, often in collaboration with conservation scientists and museum professionals. I have always been challenged by the plural meanings and functions of artworks, depending not only on artists and patrons, but also on collectors, display context, uses, and all the circumstances that surround the object's life after its creation. My research has been especially grounded in archival investigation of historical sources, conducted in Italy, France, and United Kingdom in order to analyze the circulations and contextualizations of ecclesiastical heritage and art collections. My activity in the field of provenance research includes international conferences, lectures, publication on peer-reviewed journals, and the participation in national and international associations active in the discipline, such as the Gruppo di Lavoro Provenienza ICOM Italia and the Arbeitskreis Provenienzforschung. My professional background also includes a curatorial experience at the Vatican Museums and training at the École du Louvre on museum collections and documentation procedures. My current teaching as professor of liturgical art and architecture at the Catholic University of America Rome Center allows me to work with my students on the historical and symbolical significance of artworks, especially in Rome, where sacred objects can still be understood, in many cases, within their original liturgical and devotional context. I would like to share this experience with you, and therefore I invite you to subscribe to this channel. The video series is organized around 4 main sections: theoretical reflections, sources and documents, object histories, and scholarly conversations. This channel is for you if you belong to academia, if you work in the arts and cultural sectors, or in and around provenance research, or you are simply interested in art history and want to confront yourselves with research methodologies, delve into current debates, and also understand how the histories beyond an object may contribute to more responsible forms of public display and cultural restitution. If you want to discover more, Provenance Research and Art History channel is part of a larger scholarly dissemination project. You can also find me on Substack, where I publish short essays and research dispatches on Roman collections, object and artworks histories, transfers, and recontextualizations. For occasional updates on my scholarly initiatives in provenance research, you can join my personal mailing list through my webpage flaviadenicola.com/provenance-research or by simply scanning the QR code here on screen. Thank you for your attention and support.